Hey guys, it's me again, and if you know me well enough, you know I have a serious Lego problem. Just look at the Legos taking over my freaking apartment, man. It's everywhere. There is Legos everywhere. Maybe I should have said Lego. Some even on my desk there. And on top of that, I have a new one to show you guys if I can set up my camera. Okay, camera set up. Let me clean this mess, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom! Lego 42117 airplane. It's got a cool B model, like a jet. I kind of like the airplane, it seemed fun. It is no longer available for sale on the website. I picked it up for, after fees and taxes and shipping, it was just under $20. But it looks cool, simple enough. I'm excited to build it. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the inside of the box, so let's take a look. Okay, so we've got the sticker sheet, which looks kind of cool. We've got the instructions, pretty thin, but does it. And we've got 3 bags, none of which are numbered, so I guess you open them all at the same time. That's really how small this kit is. And then you've got 2 of like the blades, the wings, flying bits, caca, caca. So that's it. Let's get building. And it's finished, and it's a nice little build. I like that the propeller moves with the tires down here. There's a whole gear structure that goes up and through, and you can see it rolls nicely with that. There's a rear tire. I've never seen this piece before. It's obviously like an airplane wing. I can't imagine it really being used for anything else. These are the extra pieces. And you could see it flying around and, you know, doing stunts maybe. The wheels don't go up or anything, but it's a nice little, fun little set. Didn't take too long to build, probably under an hour. And smallish sticker sheet, which you saw earlier. This is all of them applied. I like stickers. Fight me in the comments, haha. But yeah. Just a quick one, one that's just not sold on Lego.com anymore, so probably retiring soon. But just wanted to give that final look. And again, for I think it was only $10 on the website. It's a pretty good little set. So thanks for watching, and sneak peek of the next one.